Hello, today I'm going to show you how to handle many-to-many relationship in Power BI. At least once in a while, everyone would have come across such a situation where you have to join two tables, but it throws an error saying many-to-many relationship exists. So with a simple example, let me show you how you can solve this problem. As you can see here, I have created two simple data sets. On the first sheet, you have orders. So in the column A, you have the date of order, and in the column B, you have customer name and the number of items the customer ordered each time. So using this simple data set, I'm going to combine this with the ratings. Let me go to the other table. So you can see here, you have the column A which says feedback date, the customer name, and the ratings provided by each customer. So what I'm going to do right now is like link these two tables. And as you can see here, right, so one customer would have placed three orders. So he would have placed order on different dates and the number of items each order had. And then we would have received a feedback from the customer for each order. But in this case, you don't have anything called order ID or something. You just have the customer name. So when you try to combine these two tables or create a link between these two tables, it will have a many-to-many relationship because A is repeated three times in this table. And then you can see here A is repeated three times in this table. Similarly, B as well. So definitely it's a many-to-many scenario. So let me quickly load this data to PBI and then see how we can manage through and navigate such a situation. So I completed loading these two Excel sheets into this PBI desktop. As you can see here, I have the orders table and also the ratings table. So if I now try to create a relationship between these two tables using customer name, I'm getting an error. It says many-to-many relationship exists, etc. So I want to solve this issue. So what I'm going to do is click on transform data, select transform data in the ribbon, and then I will create a table which acts as a bridge between these two orders table and ratings table. So to create a bridge table, so let me select the orders table, first table orders, and then highlight the customer name. So this is the column which I'll be using as a bridge between these two tables. So customer name, right click on this and then add as a new query. Okay, so now you can see a new query has been created. So now let me convert this into table. Okay, so this is a new table. I'll do the same thing for ratings table. Let me select the ratings and select customer name and then add as a new query. And now again, I'll convert this customer underscore name to a table. And then, okay. So now I don't need two tables. So I just need one table which will have all the unique items. So what I'll do is right click and then combine, select combine and append queries. So select this one, two tables, tables to append, customer name. So I'll add the values, whatever customer names to this particular table. Select OK. So now if you look here, right, the customer name has almost every records, 44 rows. So, but a catch here is I don't need duplicates. So I need to remove the duplicates. So right click on this one, this table and remove duplicates. Okay. And then let me also rename this column one as customer key and select enter. So now I just need orders table, ratings table, and the customer name, which has a key. So I'll be using this column as a bridge between these two tables, but I don't need this customer underscore name. So what I'll do is I'll uncheck enable load. So now let's close this and apply. Okay, let's give it a second. Okay, so now you can see it automatically created a link between the customer name, key, and customer name. If it doesn't create a link, you can just drag and drop this so that it creates a join condition between these two. Okay, it's the join is working. And now if I go back to my report here, let me quickly create a matrix, add matrix. Let me bring it to the center, and then I'll bring this to the rows. Customer key has a rows. And now I want to see the number of items ordered by each customer. So I'll bring this the number of items to the values. And then I want to see the ratings, the sum of ratings by each customer. So bring it here and let me expand. So the sum of ratings may not be very useful. So let me create a new measure and then call it as average ratings. Give it a second. Rename it as average ratings equal to average ratings by the customer. Hit enter. So now if I bring this to the values, you can see here the average ratings given by each customer. The customer A has given 3.67 ratings, and then you can see the customer I, he has given average rating of 5. So this is how you can use many-to-many relationship using a bridge table and then get the desired output. This is one of the simple example. The data set here is very simple. For the ease of understanding, I kept it very simple. And you can do the same thing with complex data set and data models. Hope this tutorial is useful. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.